In this quick guide, you'll learn how to cancel your LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription. Whether you're looking to cut down on expenses or simply don't find the tool useful anymore, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process. I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you can do it quickly and without hassle. First, you'll need to head over to LinkedIn's website, open your preferred web browser, and type in linkedin.com. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already, go ahead and enter your credentials. Being on the right account is crucial to ensure you have access to the settings we're going to adjust. Now, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to all your LinkedIn settings, so it's worth getting familiar with if you're not already. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to click on Settings and Privacy. This section houses all the important settings related to your account, including privacy controls and account preferences. It's always a good idea to periodically check this section to make sure everything is configured to your liking. Once you're in the Settings and in Privacy section, look for Account Preferences. Click on it to expand the options available. This section covers various settings that influence how your account is managed, including language preferences and email notifications. Now, scroll down until you find Subscriptions and Payments. This is where you'll find all the details related to your LinkedIn subscriptions, including your Sales Navigator plan. Take a moment to review this section if you're curious about other subscriptions you might have forgotten about. Within Subscriptions and Payments, you'll see the option to cancel your subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription. LinkedIn might ask you for a reason why you're canceling, or they might offer you a deal to try and keep you as a subscriber. It's up to you whether you want to engage with these offers, and there you have it. Your Sales Navigator subscription should now be canceled. You'll receive a confirmation email from LinkedIn, so keep an eye on your inbox. It's always a good practice to save this confirmation email for your records, just in case there are any issues or discrepancies in the future. Canceling your LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscription is really that simple. By following these steps, you can ensure that you won't be charged for the service in the future. If you ever decide to return, LinkedIn makes it easy to resubscribe, so don't worry about making a permanent decision. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your online accounts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy networking.